What if you could stand beside three young men staring at a real furnace? Babylon rules. Jerusalem is in ruins. Daniel and his friends serve a pagan king but refuse his idols. A golden statue rises, music plays, everyone bows except Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego. God can deliver us, and even if he does not, we will not bow. They are thrown into flames heated 7 times hotter. The king looks again. 4 men walking. No chains, no burns. Same God who later raises Jesus. In your fire, who will you bow to?